What is up, FNAers?
What up?
So, we got an update for you today on probably our biggest clutch of the year so far.
Yes.
Before that, though, shout out to... Oh, shit. Shirt's all dirty.
Oh, shit.
Shout out to
You
Justin.
still look high.
Justin from Pipeline. Do I still look high?
Yeah, Craig.
But yeah, Justin's got some killer shit. So
Absolutely.
check him out if you haven't already.
Clown pie game on point.
And an announcement. We're at 418 subs going into this video as we're making it. So by the time this video comes out, we should be at 420.
Yes.
And we're going to do a live, not obviously the Sunday when this video comes out, but a week from this video. We'll do a live for our t-shirt giveaway, for the 420 giveaway. And hopefully we'll be doing a live either the week or 2 weeks after that for our 500, hopefully. So make sure you tell your friends and get those subs up for us because we're almost there.
If we don't hit that 420, we might just put it on layaway until next week. It's up to y'all.
Right? So let's, oh shoot, we got one on the loose here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go ahead and update these ones. So, the first one we got here, we believe...
What was the parents? Just the pairing?
So
we don't have to look at them or anything.
It was
just the pairings.
Blinky, which was our Blackhead Cinnamon Phantom Clown. And we believe now Red Gene, Ringer Gene as well.
And we're really hoping Blackhead.
Yeah, we're really hoping Blackhead because we kind of think we might have missed Blackhead on this clutch, but we want to hear what you guys have to say.
Absolutely.
So, and he was paired to our... what was purchased as a special Yellowbelly, but we're pretty sure she actually had Pastel as well. One of the parents had Pastel.
Yeah.
We're pretty sure it's her.
Yeah.
So, let's see what we got here.
Let's get to work.
So we believe this one is a special Yellowbelly. Het Clown, of course. Everything will be Het Clown.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
And this is a boy or girl?
And this is a boy. Unfortunately, we kind of missed the odds on females. We got 2 females and
we're keeping
5 boys. Yeah, we're keeping any females out of this clutch.
Right. Sorry, everybody.
Okay, so next is probably one of my favorite looking ones. And we believe this one is Yellowbelly Phantom Het Clown and also Red Gene, Ringer Gene. That's what Kenny Aponte believed anyway.
Yeah.
Again, we're going to be having a lot of people look at these and give us their input on them.
So yeah, if you could give us your input as well. Like we said, we don't necessarily know what's in these.
I was going to say, I feel like this one's pretty dark, but then again, Phantom's kind of dark
and
too.
And Yellowbelly likes to darken up stuff, so...
True.
I think that's a pretty fair assessment.
Right. We think this one is Yellowbelly, is the same thing as the last one, but with Pastel and Red Gene, but no Ringer Gene. So Yellowbelly, Phantom, Pastel, Red Gene.
And I would almost think Ringer Gene because, like the way I understand Ringer Gene, I don't know though. First and foremost, I don't know. But I've been told it does this shadowy stuff.
Okay. Yeah, maybe then.
Like it puts a ring around the pattern,
like
is what I've been told.
Pretty much all this stuff is, as far as I know, stuff that's pretty much never been done. So we're...
Can't find it, man.
Yeah, we're having a hard time finding pics of, stuff that's the same. These guys.
So if anybody would like to help, please step up and help us out. What?
So we're thinking, originally I thought this one was a Blackhead Cinnamon because the head's just all blanked out. There's no, we were looking for eye stripes to be.
Yeah, we were kind of looking at the wrong thing before.
Right. But Kenny believes this one to be just Cinnamon Yellowbelly and Ringer Gene, Het Clown.
Right, I think that with the cinnamon and the red gene, it would have definitely looked more red.
It's pretty crazy looking. It's like a really weird shade of brown.
And you can see those rings that it put around the pattern again.
Right.
Oh, trying to get a visitor.
Yeah, they're starting to get wily.
Right. Whoop. Speaking of which,
Ooh, that one's like trying to get up underneath the lid.
Right. Trying to
This
make a
next
break.
one's in shed, so you probably won't spend a whole lot of time on it.
Yeah.
This one was the first out of the egg, so it's also the biggest, probably taking the most meals.
But this one is?
This one is a special yellow-belly pewter ringer gene het clown.
And oh yeah, male, female, male,
And the next two are males as well.
male. And this one?
This one is a phantom crystal, so phantom special. That's why you get the crazy, like purpley white look to it.
Right.
And it's also pastel. So pastel phantom crystal het clown.
And I guess it could always possibly be yellow belly because that belly is so blanked out.
It's so hard to see. Yeah, I think almost. Yeah, I think that one will have to be listed as pos yellow belly, same as this one.
Sorry, everybody. I wasn't really focusing good because I'm trying to wrangle snakes over here. That one goes over here.
We can just get it in a minute.
Okay.
As long as it's not getting off the
Those
table.
ones look pretty similar, though.
I could definitely tell the difference
Okay.
between these.
Go.
That one's
Game on.
so. This one we thought was all genes originally. Let's see. Kenny said phantom special pewter pos yellow belly red gene ringer gene.
He's not one. There we go.
I'm really hoping, because the head's slightly darker than that last one, I'm really hoping that this one does not have pastel, or maybe that this one has blackhead and it's just being hidden by all the genes.
I got no clue.
If our male is truly blackhead, then the odds of missing blackhead on 7 babies is 1 in 128. So hopefully that's not the case, but hopefully that is the case at the same time, because that means, I'd rather that than our male not have blackhead.
Yeah, I'd rather improve out.
Right.
I mean, he did come from a reliable source and everything,
Yep.
so we're not worried about that.
And I had another breeder look at pictures of him, and he believes that he looks the part for the genes that are at play. So
Right. So we're thinking we just missed out on blackhead.
maybe, or maybe we're just not. It might be a weaker line of blackhead that's harder to see. Maybe.
Right. So
And with a snake
any
like
help
this, it's
would be appreciated.
right. To me, as squished down as all these alien heads are in this last one, if you can see the alien heads in it.
Yeah, hold on just a minute. I'm just trying to get a headshot of everybody. There we go.
But these alien heads are so squeezed down to where they're almost aligned. So I'm almost thinking this one might have blackhead.
Yeah, it just really should have the vanished eye stripes in front of the eyes.
Right.
Especially since bell complex, and that's a double bell complex animal. But
Maybe the double cancels it out. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't know. But right on, man. That's going to be it for this update. Please let us know if you know anything about blackhead, or if you see anything in here that looks like blackhead. Please let us know.
And get us to 500.
Yeah. Well, we should see you on a live next Sunday. Peace.
Peace.
Everyone.